video today, guys, I want to share with you the progress of this guest bedroom. And so if you saw the last video, you know that this room was a complete disaster. And I am making progress in this room, guys. I have come a long way. I'm clearing it out and I am getting it organized. And I still have a few more things here that is in this room that needs to go to the storage unit. So what I decided to do was to keep all of my home decor items that I use on a regular basis, such as my neutrals. I decided to go ahead and keep them here and make my at-home store here in my guest room closet, because it is a large, it's not a really huge walk-in closet, but it is a nice size closet. And so I decided to use this closet as my at-home store. And like I said, these pictures, all of my pictures, my wall art, I will be storing them away at the storage unit, and my lamps and the large decor pieces, I'll keep them at the storage unit. And so let's go ahead and take a look at what my new at-home decor store looks like. So guys, yeah, this room, you're gonna see a lot of dust around, so I definitely need to get in here. Once I get everything situated and cleaned out, I am going to go ahead and give this room also a very deep clean and decorate it as well. So let's go ahead and view the decor store. So like I said in the last video, I came in here and I painted the walls and I put together these shelving units, the black metal shelving unit, that one there, and then that one here on the smaller one there. And my husband came in and he hung these shelves here. So if you are new here, I want to say welcome. I'm Nita at Nita'S Home Decor and Lifestyle TV, and I want to let you guys know that on this channel, I share with you how I use home decor throughout my home for style and comfort. I also share with you a little bit of what goes on in my life, which can sometimes be quite hilarious. So if you're looking for inspiration on home decorating ideas and lots of love and laughter, you have come to the right place. Hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can join the family. And to my people, if you haven't already, you already know what to do. Dust your feet off and get on in here, because you know I love you. Just took out all of the old shelving units that were in here previously, and I just slapped a little coat of paint on the walls, guys. We took out the baseboard in here as well. My husband did not replace the baseboard. I just wanted to go ahead and just give a quick little paint on here and put my stuff away. But we didn't put baseboard down, neither did he put the trim back up around the door frame. So it's not 100% perfect in here, but it's perfect enough for me to have it as a store for now. So on the black metal rack here, on the very top, I have all of my large vases and vessels there. Also on the second shelf, you'll see the same thing. I have large vases and vessels on there as well. And then moving to the third shelf, I have all of my candle holders. And then moving to the very bottom, I have most of my ginger jars here. And then underneath that shelf on the floor, I have some decorative trays there. Okay. Moving over to the black small shelving unit, I have most of the candles there, and then I have some of the wax candles and the LED candles there. So that's what that is looking like so far. moving over to the shelves that are on the left side of the closet when you walk in. The first shelf, I have just some decorative decor pieces here. And then going up on the second shelf, I have the smaller vases or vessels here on that shelf. And then going all the way to the top, I have just a few of the decorative boxes there. And then over here in the corner, you'll see where I use some of those LifeWit storage bags to store some of my pillows. I still have a few more of those storage bags with pillows that I need to, I actually can put one more up there at the top, so I'll put it there. And then moving over here to these shelves. On the very top, I have some decorative items up there. And then here on the second shelf, I have some dough bowls with some tiered stands. And then here on the third shelf, I have some decorative bowls and other little things. And then underneath that, I have more storage bags that I have some decorative towels in. I have most of my white sheet sets there, and I also have some throw pillow covers and one of them. And then all the way on the very bottom in this bin here, I have some faux flowers. And then over here on the left side of my candle stand here, I have these little plastic storage containers here as well, storage drawers. And here I'll just keep little small miscellaneous items in here. Like this one, I have some beads. And then here in this one, I have some chains, wooden chains, and gold chains. And then in the bottom, I have some moss balls and moss. And then all the way on the very bottom, I have my camera gear here. Okay, so again, here's an overview of my home decor store. And I still have to kind of make room to add other things in here. But I did want to just go ahead and give you guys an update and show you what the space was looking like. So I hope you guys are enjoying my home decor storage transformation. It is really making a huge difference in how I get to see and view all of my home decor items. Also want to remind you guys that if you have not yet subscribed, please do hit that subscribe button. And also don't forget to hit that notification bell, guys, because on Thursday, we will be doing the first fall video of my living room. I'm so super excited to share that with you guys. Don't forget to hit that notification bell, guys, so that you'll be reminded when that video comes out. And of course, as always, till the next time, stay well, be blessed, and I love you. Bye-bye.